Dito na.
Say mo man po.
Dito ka mo adto sa imong phone. Tapos i-ano ko. Dali na. Dito
Ano?
sa sulod.
Ang abi ko.
I-accept ka dito.
Ano ko ba sa nagsabi? Kaya ako sa mga tao, lilipad na ako ng Australia.
Dito ka. Sa akong phone. Dito ka. Ako mag-live.
Lilipad ka rin na. Yawa. Nakaulit na kayo.
It's, ano, uy, what the freak is this, ano? What the hell? So can you come pick up your clothes? I have been folding. You know it's getting cold out, but it... Ah, I invited you already. Shay Shwiki. Ah, see? Yung phone mo talaga yung may sira.
Hi!
Hello, I'm in Australia and I always talk like this. I always talk in my British accent. I talk to my sisters like this and also and of course my American accent also. Hi, Direct Jamie.
Grabe naman sa ano mo. Ano mo lang dyan, kakadating mo lang dyan sa OA na yung English mo.
What are you talking about? You look like a trash can.
Wow. Malayog ta ka dyan, puntahan kita dyan ngayon. Tignan mo, masumbag ta ka.
Brazil, love you. Oh my God, hello from Brazil.
Kevin, ano
Oh,
perfume mo? My perfume is
Jose,
binigay
you're
lang ng
kinda hot, huh?
yung perfume ko ay YSL. Yes, binigay din sa akin ni Tia. Yeah! My love,
Happy
how are
belated
you?
birthday kay
My love,
Pia.
my
Ang
love,
sarap
how
mo,
are you
Pia.
there, mama?
Belated birthday, happy birthday kay Pia. Ang sarap mo, Pia.
Uy,
Go.
my love, how are you? Kamusta ka dyan sa Australia?
Australia's fine, dear.
You're looking so hot in there, huh?
Uy.
Yes, you look like white. America. Yes! Your hair, ganyan ba talaga pag nasa abroad na no, yung makapal na yung mga buhok ba?
May mas makapal, tiga mo.
Hoy! Love, kamusta sa Australia? Kamusta ka dyan?
Okay
Okay.
lang. I met someone here that wants to live with us
Hoy! Together?
forever.
Live in?
Yes, he's a tall, strong man.
Ay, alam mo, wala yan sa contract natin. Hindi yan, wala yan sa pinirmahan natin na contract bago ka pumunta dyan sa Australia. Kung makapag-met someone ka dyan, ha? Subukan mo. Diba? Wala ka nang uwian. So, how was the food?
The food here is quite amazing. I'm so flabbergasted about all the dishes that they have. So good, yummy, and delicious. Why are you
Pero,
laughing, my dear?
nakakainis ka.
Why is it so dark in there? Look, that's the Australia. Look at that, my glasses are. That's the window.
Oh, I like the view.
Yeah,
Maybe it's
that's my
viewing.
view here in
But
Australia.
me also. Here in the Philippines, it's already 5:55 and it's sunset. Look.
Oh, it's sunset here in Australia. It's just let's morning the night.
Paano ba mag-back camera?
Oh my god, you're so bobo.
Look, yes, the view here in the Philippines is so very beautiful.
Look at my view here. It's much way cooler.
Oh, a lot of horse like you.
No, that's Marina Summers. Like you.
Oh, my ate, my sister.
Yeah, look, that's you over there. And there's so many of you. OMG.
Look at my view.
That's my view right now.
Hindi mo ba ito na-miss yung view na to? Dito tayo, di ba?
No thanks, darling. Hello,
Anong,
Doc TJ
anong no thanks?
from Smile Factor Dental Clinic. That's my doctor right there, Doc TJ.
How
He's
about my love? Are you there? Are you still there?
okay. What do you want me to do?
How about the transportation in the Australia? My love. My love. Where are you, my love?
Mahulog ka ng cellphone ayaw.
Baka malaglag yung cellphone. My God, simba ko. Wait,
Hi, Doc.
hindi mo na-answer
Yes,
yung
Doc. Okay lang yung pakiramdam ko, Doc. Medyo goods na. Medyo ano pa rin siya. May tumitinggil. Tumitinggil? Anong, what's your question, my love?
how was the transportation there?
Oh, the transportation there is so like this. Oh, it's so cold. Yeah. This is Australia. It's winter season. So it's kind of the winter season here is this is what I see outside my window right now. This is a different window.
Buti na lang hindi na ako sumama kasi hindi ako nasanay
Why?
sa mga cold.
What are you talking about?
I thought, I thought, I thought I was
I thought come to this competition.
stand with the legends. No, I thought the transportation baga, yung may mga pamasahe-pamasahe dyan sa Australia, ano yung
Oh, in Australia here, in Australia, we don't really do pamasahe. Di ko marunong Tagalog, konti lang po. So, I think, was that Mariah? Oh my God, Mariah Carey is here, darling.
Go
Okay,
na! Ano na yung tanong ko la? Dali naglisan
in
na agad.
Australia, we don't go transportation lately because here in Australia, we just use boat.
Ay!
Yeah, only boats. It's so, oh my God, it's so cold in Australia, my lord. So this is the transportation that we used here. Why you laughing? Why you laughing, huh? And you heard, you heard Mariah Carey? Yeah, she was there on top of the mountains.
Oh! She's so, ano ha? She's so mataas ha?
Of course, she's Mariah the diva, darling.
Yes. My love, may question ako.
What is it?
Kamusta yung ano, yung bar dyan? Kamusta yung drag scene dyan sa Australia?
The drag scene in Australia. It's
Kilala ka ba
so.
ng kilala ka ba ng mga tao dyan?
No, they don't know me actually, apparently, but what matter most is the money because when you exchange it to peso, it's a lot of money.
Hmm.
Yes. What is you talking there?
Because here in the Philippines, ano na siya, parang naglalag. Nag-FB10.
What are you talking about?
Yes, naglalag. So, pasensya na. Para ka namang hindi naka-experience ng FB10.
I don't know what FB is, actually.
Hoy. O ang OA mo na. Paano?
Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, love. I think I need to go because it's it's pouring outside. It's glistening.
Oh,
Look, the mountains are so full of snow. It's so cold here.
can you
When you,
touch the snow?
of course.
Snow.
Oh, eh. Snow, and when you scramble the letters, it became nose.
Tama na, tama na. Hindi ka talaga magaling sa mga ganyan.
I don't care. I am the queen of comedy, darling. What are you talking about?
Hindi talaga. Hindi talaga.
I am the
Ano yung
queen of
kinain mo
camp.
lately? Ano yung kinain mo dyan kanina? Breakfast?
Tae.
Lunch? Kumain ka na?
I actually did eat some cereals and some sakit lagi. Ngulgul lagi, mami.
Ano nangyari sa snatch game? Ay, ayan ka
Snatch
na
Game,
naman.
I am gonna be the iconic queen, the British accent queen, because I always
Yes.
converse. I also converse with them in my British accent. Also, my sister.
Hmm.
Hmm. And what about it? Why is it so dark in there? Ronnie, run,
I'm in my
run!
room, so yes. Oh.
Is it British in Australia? How? What's the accent in Australia? I don't know.
Sino ako?
No, I don't. I don't think you can answer that type of question. But I'm not. I'm not asking you, my dear.
Uwi ka lang dito. Pag nakauwi ka, di ba, tignan mo. May nahanap ka ba dyan, ano? Ano bang mga, ano pa dyan sa Australia? Yung mga
And
tourist attraction or destination.
as you can see, the windows are closed, so I can't really explain to you what's going on here in Australia. The windows are closing, my love. The windows are closing.
Muro kagyawa ay si Paon, gita ka do. Muro kagyata
What?
yo.
What are you talking? What are you talking about?
Isot na kalap, uy.
What? What
Kailan
is
ka
the
uuwi?
matter?
Kailan ka uuwi?
What is the matter, baby?
Hindi mo sinagot yung question ko ba? Ano pa bang mga ano diyan, magagandang ah, attraction diyan sa Australia?
In Australia, there's a lot of kangaroos. There's a lot of It's like it's giving. It's giving. It's just giving. You know.
Huwag ka
Good
na
day, mate. Hello.
Huwag ka na mag-English ba? Magtagalog ka na. Ako naman yung kausap mo.
Okay, go. Sorry. Unsa di ay? Mabilis saya tabes kay para di sila kasabot. Ano?
So, kamusta ka na? Yung ngipin mo.
Kerry, it's giving swollen effect, but nothing
Hmm.
can. Nothing can a medicine, diba? Hi, Mariah. Hi, Kiari. Hello, darling. Um, I got my first awards in the VMAs. Thank you so much. Oh my god. This is my first time. Oh my god, it's heavy. It's heavy, darling. Hi, Ari. I love you so much, Ari.
Your hair is so frizzy.
No, naturally curly hair.
Ganyan ba talaga pag nasa abroad na? Gaganyan yung mga buhok?
Pag-usapang buhok, wala ka masyadong sasabihin, okay? Shut up ka. Wala ka masyadong buhok, kaya wala ka masasabi sa akin.
Ikaw ba? Yawa ka. Ayoko ko na.
What's
Bawa
the
ka.
matter? What is the matter with you?
Personal ka ha. Huwag kang ano. Baka nakalimutan mo.
It's not personal, darling. It's just full. And you could never.
So excuse me. O huwag kayong yung mga nanonood, gabi ha. Wow ha. Gabi sa tawa ha.
Love,
Anong
sakit hapdos na kong tingan, love. Murag, gigutom na ko, gipatlo na ko.
Oh, so what's the plan?
Murag isog na kayo ang ano, ang
What's the
antibiotic.
plan? Umuwi ka muna.
Imo na gani kung sa bunutan yawo.
Umuwi ka muna. Bilis na. Mag-ano ka na ng flight.
I think I need to eat because my stomach is aching.
Hindi, magluto ka. Magluto ka dyan sa Australia. Ano bang,
Okay, I'm gonna cook.
yes. O, sige na. Sige na, my love. Ingat dyan sa Australia. Take care, always.
Bye-bye. I miss you so
Oh,
much.
collect all the tips.
Okay, okay na ba yung practice, guys? O, diba?
O, diba? Word! Australia! Huy!
I, before I leave you guys, I'm gonna do a pieza.
Okay, go. Isang Maraya naman dyan. Sample. Sige na. Uy, bawal na ba na mag-ininganak ko sa live?
Para ma-end na.
Ang daming nanonood, oh. 468. Tignan mo.
Guys, if you can send 2 pesos each in my, ano, it would be times 2, so I'm gonna buy... Char. Wrong.
Ano, ano bang gagawin mo?
Magpipesa ako ng part, ano, Katy Perry.
Fresh ka tignan. Nakaka-fresh pala pag nasa ibang bansa, no? Ang fresh mo. Ang cute mo sa hair mo. Bagay sa'yo. Uy! Mahina yung audio mo. Uy! Ba't parang nakakabaliw yung sa Australia? Umuwi ka na sa Pilipinas. Muro na kag nabuang dira oy.
Thank you so much. Puro tawa, walang ano walang Gcash. Ayoko
O
yan.
sige na, magbabay na. O,
Wait
thank
lang,
you.
meron pa, meron pa. Meron pa akong kanta.
Magmaraya ka nga. Puro kanta. Ito body bag yun ba yan? Uy, hindi naman yan maraya. Uy, parang iba na yan yung ginagawa mo ba? O sige na, my love.
Meron pang isa. Last na.
Magtrabaho ka na dyan sa Australia.
Ito na lang.
Parang ang tungaan. Hoy! Hoy! Imong sigot ba? Imong tigol.
Bored na ka?
Sige na, naboboard na ako.
Okay.
Magbabay na tayo. Smile. Smile, isang smile dyan. Isang heart. Dapat connect siya. Bye-bye, my love. Mag-ingat ka sa Australia dyan. Hoy,
Go.
huwag kang mag-ano ng afam ha.
I
Lagot ka.
will.
Bye! I love you,
Bye-bye.
Reyna. Take care.